Okay, so here's the thing. The DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't looking like just another yearly refresh. This one's starting to feel like a whole new chapter for DJI's action camera lineup, and the latest leaks pretty much confirm it. What dropped today isn't just another image or spec sheet. It's a full-blown look at the new accessories, and honestly, that's where things start getting really interesting. We're talking ND filters, a new field of view attachment, and even a proper macro lens. These weren't part of the combo leaks from earlier this week, so yeah, this changes everything about how the Action 6 shapes up on paper. The ND kit especially looks clean. You've got ND8, ND16, and ND32 filters in this sleek magnetic case that looks way more premium than what we got with the Action 5 Pro. DJI is really stepping up the presentation here. But, just like before, these won't come with the camera. You'll have to grab them separately if you want full creative control. Now, the FOV booster, that's where things start feeling kind of wild. DJI is apparently letting you pop off the front and snap on this new optical module to widen your field of view even more. It's not just digital stretching either. Since the Action 6 now has a variable aperture lens, these optical add-ons actually make sense. They work with the hardware instead of faking it in software. And the macro attachment? Totally new territory for DJI's action cams. Finally, you'll be able to get proper close-up shots, textures, product details, tiny objects, the kind of stuff that's always been a weak spot for action cameras. If this thing works the way it's rumored to, it's going to give creators a lot more flexibility. Now, quick recap on the combos, because a lot of people were confused after the last leaks. The standard combo is just the essentials: camera, one battery, mounts, and a charging cable. The Adventure combo adds a few extras, like more batteries, an extended grip, and a charging case, but none of these optical accessories, not the ND filters, not the macro lens, not the FOV booster, are included. You'll be buying those separately. And that's kind of the point. DJI doesn't want the Action 6 to just be a strap-it-on-your-helmet-and-go kind of camera anymore. They're turning it into a small modular system, something you can customize and build around depending on what you shoot. Spec-wise, the leaks say it's packing a 1.1.1-inch 38-megapixel sensor with a variable aperture from f2.0 to f4.0, giving you way more control over your exposure and depth of field. It'll record 4K up to 120 frames per second, 1080p up to 240, and it's backed by Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady for stabilization. The camera's waterproof down to 20 meters without a housing, and even with all this new modular gear, it still weighs around 149 grams. So yeah, this isn't a small update. Between the bigger sensor, variable aperture, and that whole new lens system, the Osmo Action 6 looks like DJI's most creator-focused action camera yet. If the leaks are right, we'll probably get the official reveal within days, and I'm definitely keeping an eye out. The second more info drops, specs, pricing, footage, I'll break it all down. Until then, stay tuned, and let's see if DJI can really pull off the next big step for action cams.